Okay, welcome back. So this question is a third angle orthographic projection question from the 2025 paper. Okay, so this time it's worth 4 marks. Again, we have the plan view and the front view. We have to create the right hand side view. It has given us what it looks like in 3D. Now, the best way to start this off, okay, as you can see, this lines up like so. Now, we don't have to draw this. It's already drawn for you, but if this side lines up, then when we go this way, it will also line up. So this is the height. I take the line across. Now, the easiest lines to take are the ones horizontal. So I take this line, and again, I do them very lightly. So I have guidelines. Now, I want to start my 45-degree line from here. I place my protractor, go on to 45, get my ruler, draw a 45-degree line all the way, and now I can transfer the plan view lines all the way down to this, okay, to the right side. And the way I do that is I use the 45-degree like a mirror. So you should have learned in maths, anything that touches a 45-degree line will go 90 degrees down as a reflection. Now, last year's question, they've put this in here, which doesn't help because it gets in the way. Whereas previously, when they asked this type of question, as you can see here, they didn't show the 3D view. So anyway, I have the width, so I'm going to bring it down 90 degrees, and using my plastic ruler, I'm going to make sure it's parallel. This line and this line is parallel. Now, obviously if it's slightly off, so I've gone like this or like this, you can tell because it's not parallel, and that's a good reason why you should use a clear ruler. So I've got it to the point here. I know it's parallel because I'm keeping it parallel to this line. And again, I draw my faint line. Again, I do the same here. Okay, so now I have these lines. Now, that's the width. Now, because this plan view is the top, this is the front view, we are looking on the right side. So what can I see? I can see this base, I can see this line, and this line. So to transfer this line, so we've transferred this line and this line, we need to transfer this line, which is here. So again, I take this across and I bring this down parallel, and I bring it very lightly again, so it's here. So this is the base. Now, because we're looking at this, we can also see this line and here. So we take this line, take it down. Okay, and now we should be able to start shaping our design. So this L shape here is this here and this here. So again, I'm going to use a darker line. And then I'm going to take these lines across, and that's the top. This is it. That's not all of it because we still have the circle. So if you've managed to draw this, this is worth 2 marks. So you get 1 mark for the basic L shape. You get 1 mark for it being the correct way around. So if you drew it the other way around, you wouldn't get that extra mark. So we've got 2 marks now. Now we need to get the 3rd and 4th mark. Okay, and the way we do that is the hidden detail. So firstly, there are 2 types of line, and this gives us a clue. when we're looking down on it, there is a line here and a line here if we look, which goes through it. Now, you can't see that because it's hidden when we're looking down. So, there are two types of lines. So we have these dashed lines, which is a hidden line, and this one here is a center line. You can see they're slightly different. This one is a dot, short dash, long dash, short dash, long dash, so on. Right, so I get my ruler. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the hidden line. It's in line here. I don't have to draw the construction line. I know it's here. I'm going to draw the 3 dashed lines, and I'm going to do the bottom exactly the same. And you can see it's exactly the same. So all we've done is, instead of drawing the top view, we've drawn it from the side. So the side we would see here and here. Okay, so that's the next mark. That's 3. Now the fourth mark is the center line. So here, and again, I'm going to copy this line, which is, I'm going to make 1 short dash, 1 long either side, 1 short and 1 long dash, like so. And that's 4 marks.